In this video, I'm going to show you how to use filters on TikTok. If you think that this video is going to be helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get straight into it. Open up your app of TikTok. Now from the home screen, all you need to do is tap on this plus icon on the bottom. Now your camera will open up. You can record your TikTok or you can also upload it by tapping on this upload icon on the bottom right. After you have chosen the video or the photo, now on the right panel you'll see tons of options. You'll need to tap on this filter option right here. After you do that, you can select among tons of filters that TikTok provides you. Select the one that you want, and just like that, your filter will be added to your video or photo on TikTok. Now you can tap on next and post it to your profile. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, then make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.